In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create two columns of text in Squarespace. Whether you're looking to add a little stylistic flair to your website or simply want to organize your content more efficiently, using two columns can be a game changer. It not only makes your page look cleaner, but also improves readability. And the best part, it only takes a few minutes. Let's dive in. First, log into your Squarespace account. If you're already logged in, you're one step ahead. If not, just head to the homepage and click on the login button in the top right corner. For a seamless experience, I recommend using the Continue with Google option. Just make sure you're signed into the same Google account connected to your Squarespace site. Once you're logged in, select the website you want to edit from your dashboard. This will take you directly into the main editing view. From here, look for the Edit button. You'll usually see it near the content areas or page sections you'd like to adjust. Clicking it will open up Squarespace's customization tools. Now let's add our first block of text. Find the Add Block button, click on it, and select Text from the menu. This will create your first text block. Once it's on your page, click the pencil icon to edit the text. Go ahead and type in whatever content you'd like for your first column. Don't worry if it's not perfect right away. You can always edit and refine later. Now let's create the second block. Repeat the same steps, click Add Block, choose Text, and then use the pencil icon to add your content. Here's the key part, turning these into two columns. Take your second text block and drag it to the side of the first one. As you move it around, you'll notice a guideline or highlight that helps you align it neatly. Release the block, and there you go. Two perfectly aligned columns side by side. At this point, you've successfully set up a two-column text layout in Squarespace. Pretty simple, right? But don't stop there. You can make it look even better. Try experimenting with different font styles, sizes, and colors to match your brand. You can even add images, buttons, or other blocks alongside your text to make the layout more dynamic and engaging. And that's it. You've created a professional-looking two-column design in Squarespace. It's a small change, but it can really improve how your content is presented and make your site look more polished. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Squarespace tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments what design feature you'd like me to cover next. Happy designing!